Hi guys, so today I wanted to show you guys a quick look at my morning routine on the weekends, which is usually involves cleaning and cooking. um, I do not get to relax or sit down at all, probably not until the afternoon. I just always have so much to do. So right now I'm getting started on making chorizo and eggs. This was super quick and easy and good. And look at Maddie trying to show you guys her candy that she's not allowed to eat in the morning. I do let her hold on to them, but she won't eat them. Like, she gets mad if I try to put them away. Anyways, I'm talking on the phone and just trying to put the chorizo in the pan, which is taking me forever. But I did want to mention that this video is in collaboration with my friend Ruby. She also is a mommy vlogger as well. She's seriously like the sweetest girl ever. Her daughter's so freaking cute. You guys should go check out her channel. I'll leave it linked in the description box and check out her morning routine as well. So with the chorizo and egg for breakfast, I'm also gonna have some beans on the side. Usually I'll just do burritos or I'll just put them on the plate like that. Plus Madison loves beans, so, and I love beans too, they're so good. But yeah, so I was just putting them in a pot. I try to make the easiest, simplest breakfast I can because I only have Saturdays and Sundays off, so I try to like enjoy my day as much as I can. So I'll try to get everything I need to do as fast as I can before, so I could just like relax for the rest of the day. But that usually never happens. While I'm waiting for everything to warm up, I'm gonna make myself a cup of cold brew. I usually only make myself cold brew if I don't have K-cups. So in this case, I don't have K-cups. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this cold brew. I'm not even gonna attempt to do it. I will link it in the description box for you guys. It's okay. I don't think it's like that great. But it's okay, I guess. I'm still trying to figure out what cold brews I like, and so far I keep going back to Starbucks. But now I'm just gonna put some creamer in. I think I definitely like drinking cold brew does have its benefits because you don't feel like the need to like rush on drinking it. Like with hot coffee, you have to like hurry up and drink it before it gets cold, and with cold brew, it tastes really good iced. So I think it has its benefits. I always need coffee though, guys. Like, I seriously, the moment I wake up, like, I need a cup of coffee. I can't go a day without it, which I'm still slowly trying to learn to like live without it, but I don't know. Coffee's a necessity, especially if you're a mom. If you guys have the opportunity to press pause real quick and subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me and my family. Or you could subscribe after this video. I hope you guys enjoy it so far.
They treat me like a son anywhere I go. And even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own.
So right after eating breakfast, I decided to go and start the cleaning process. So usually I start with my room first because it keeps me like motivated. When I see it all finished and clean, it keeps me motivated to want to clean the rest of the house. So what I'm doing right now is opening up the blinds, letting the window open so it could bring in fresh air, and now I'm just gonna start cleaning the room. So I love, this is probably like the best part like of cleaning for me at least, is fixing my bed. I just love the way it looks after. I did just get a new bed frame, so it makes me even more excited to make my bed in the morning. Yeah, I'll see if I can link my bed frame in the description box if I could find it for you guys. But my gosh, guys, this is like seriously my favorite bed frame ever. So usually I just start like dusting off the sheets because Madison likes to eat crackers in our bed or chips, and it's just a disaster. So I'm just gonna start dusting off the sheets. For some reason my sheets don't stay on the bed, like it's the right size, but like they like slip off. It's so freaking weird. Does anyone else have this problem?
Trees are dancing while the spring's still here. They don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer.
So after cleaning my room, it's time to clean Madison's room. It's seriously always a disaster. I clean it at least once every 2 days, and since she's home while I'm at work, she destroys her room. It's definitely exhausting to pick it up, especially because there's so many tiny toys. But yeah, so it's probably the longest to take me to clean is her room. So the vacuum I have is the Shark Navigator, and this is seriously the best vacuum ever. I definitely recommend it. It seriously like picks up everything, and it hasn't broke or anything. I love it.
Still don't know what else to seek, but your smile in the morning hours.
Alright guys, Madison's room is all cleaned. It looks so beautiful. And there's of course a mess in my room again. And this is my little kitty Jack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.